Good morning, everyone. Hi, this is me, Miss Tracy, back again with another video. Oh my God, it's been so long. I know we look horrible, just waking up and everything. So, today we're going to have some breakfast, and we want to try the Nature cereal. So, went to the store and I have my coconut water, organic coconut water. I picked up some strawberries. We didn't have any raspberries at the store, so strawberries was what it is. I have blueberries. Let's sit those there. And blackberries. I just washed my fruit, so it's just water dripping everywhere. Don't mind it. It's okay. And then I have the pomegranate seeds.
Those are seeds?
Mm-hmm. So, and of course, a little bowl of ice. So, let's get this started. We will put in... Let's do the...
You want to do this one first?
Oh, let's put the ice in first, I guess. And my hands are clean. So if anyone says, why is she touching Tracy's cereal with ice with her hands? Oh, well. It is what it is. All right. So we got the ice in our bowls. Next, we'll do the strawberries. If you guys can see. I have such a huge bowl. Let me put this down a little bit. I don't want to cut our faces up, but I would like for you guys to see what it looks like. And his bowl. Get some in there.
I feel like the smaller bowl, the better.
I want them to see the bowl. Well, yeah, the smaller bowl, the better. My bowl is just humongous. Yes, my head's cut off for now. It's all good. Oh, I just want you guys to see. All right, so those are the strawberries. My bowl is way too big. Shameful. All right, then we'll do the blueberries next. So, see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean blueberries. And I heard this is supposed to give you energy as well.
I love blueberry.
So, let's do that.
Just some bussin'.
I should get my little tray thing to make it sit up higher. Grab that for me. My little board. Okay. We'll wait for him really quickly. Because I want you guys to see what it's going to look like. And I know the ice cubes probably are like too much. And my bowl is super huge, should I say. So let me get something on here. Okay. There we go. Now you guys can see that.
But you can't see our face.
Yeah, we're going to fix that. Okay, there we go. We're back to normal. Or, well, see, his bowl looks so delectable already. All right, so we have blueberries in there. We don't want too much just in case we do not like it. All right, now time for the blackberries. We'll put those in. And I hopefully it gives us some energy because I really need it. I've just been lately.
I was fixing my chair.
All right, let's see. Blackberries in mine and some blackberries for Tracy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fruit. Now, all right, the pomegranate seeds. Let's get it. All right, so we'll open it up.
Oh, so you pour it in last?
I don't know. We're just gonna. They smell good.
That's fine. Mine looks good.
Yes, yours looks delectable. Oh, give me some of those.
Give me some. Just take all of ours.
Okay, so we'll keep a little bit just because. I don't have a lid to go back on, so we're just gonna use them all. Whatever. Oh well. Okay, so that's that. Well, I'll stir it a bit.
Aluminum.
You guys see? And the ice. I don't know what the ice is supposed to do, but here we are. Okay. So now we get the coconut water, you guys. I guess what? You know what? We have to stay hydrated. I guess that's what the coconut water is for. Smell it.
Wait. There's not much of. You know what that smells like? That smells like rice water.
Oh, here goes that. Let's see. Let's pour it in.
Oh, that rice water. Bussin' though. Dude, bussin'. I feel like we're gonna regret this at the end, honestly. Please, no.
Alrighty, guys. So I put in my coconut water, which is clear. I don't know. Some people, but I think they've been using the wrong thing, and I think they've been using like coconut milk or something because it's supposed to be clear. Mine is clear, and some videos I've seen there was clear. You guys look. Looks very pretty as well. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, well, here we go.
You should have a thing to take a picture. Let me see your phone.
Yeah, you have to take one of the.
My phone's dead.
Let's see. Let's just.
Coconut. I feel like this is something we would eat at Japan. It just feels foreign to me.
Okay, are we ready to go? Let's try nature's cereal, you guys. All right, I'm gonna retract that on my ice to make it really watery.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to get one of everything. I should have cut the strawberries a little smaller, but
it's like.
Ready? Okay. All right, let me just. You first. All right, here we go. Yeah, I got it. Come on.
Is it bussin'?
Good.
Is bussin', Mom? Is it bussin'? Hold on. Get that ice out.
That's actually pretty good. Isn't it good?
All right, bussin'.
That's actually pretty good. Let's try again. A little seeds up there. Let's see if it give me some energy. Because if it do, ooh,
Them seeds not bussin'.
Listen to the crunch.
It's like I'm eating uncooked corn. That's cold.
I like it. I do. A toothpick. Seeds. If I wanted to eat popcorn kernels, this dangerous. Let's say that. But it's pretty good. The coconut water. I'd probably only be able to do the coconut water with the fruit and not drink it by itself.
Try to drink it by itself at the end.
I already tasted some by itself and I don't like it by itself.
You did just say something?
Oh, I did.
Mom, all the fruit and stuff in the water down there.
It's not in there. It ain't. It ain't.
Look at how smaller the ice got, Mom. You should get on TikTok.
All right, let's see. You like it? Maybe we'll get some energy, guys. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried this yet? If you try it, let me know. And if you have it with the raspberries, let me know how if it's any different. Or I mean, it really just tastes like fruit and water.
No,
But
yeah,
I don't know how to explain it.
like the water, like the coconut water complements the fruit.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the coconut water can like be
It's
added
like
with
a
the
weird
ice.
vibe,
Mhm.
but it goes together, you know. Well, yeah, so
Hopefully, you
nature
get.
cereal. Good morning. Mm-hmm. Hey, you guys like my nails?
What time is it, Dina? It's 11.
Morning time still.
Yeah, it's
It's breakfast time, so I hope everyone.
I thought it was lunch.
Lunch is at noon. Well, actually, lunch is whenever your stomach is ready for it. But mine, we ready for lunch at 8 o'clock in the morning. You better watch your spillage go choppily.
Just spillage.
I don't get down like that.
Video is 11 minutes. How long does it have to be?
So I get done with my cereal. Nature cereal.
I don't know how to. I don't know what to say about it. Mom was like, inside she's like, oh my god, what is this?
It's actually pretty good.
Hey yo, people be acting on the TikTok. They be like, nature cereal, here, let's give it a try. Eat it and they're like, After the video's over, they spit it out.
It's actually very good. I hope
Yeah.
you get the energy. Let's see.
In the beginning. But I can't wait to paint.
I don't know. Well, we tried it. Woo woo.
Wait, how does... Wait, so, where are coconuts?
What? Are they
in Hawaii?
I'm not even. Yes, they are. They have something. Don't be acting stupid now. Don't do me. my mother doesn't teach me nothing. We're coconuts. Chocolate, I'm playing.
In Hawaii.
I heard I'm wearing a toothpick.
Imagine I said...
Now I have to get ready to cook some dinner. Oh, I'm gonna do chicken wings, you guys.
Not anytime soon.
Yeah.
Cause I don't eat. We be having dinner
This
at
is
like 3.
This is nature cereal. We have dinner at 3. What do you want? No, we don't. We do it. This is dinner. No, we have dinner
She's not mine.
no later than 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Don't normal people have dinner at?
No,
Between 3
they
and
be
5?
having. No, they be having dinner at like, say 5 to 7, or the least is 5 to 7:30. Cause it's gonna start getting darker later.
What's that got to do with anything?
So,
We eat early. When the food is done.
But what about when it's like, what? Say we get done with dinner 7 o'clock, or hungry.
There's some more leftovers. Go on get some more dinner.
No, because we be having some dinners that you eat them, then it's all gone.
When?
I remember one time we were having dinner, and then we were eating something, and then I was like, Mom, I want some more of this. You're like, oh, there's no more. There's no more.
Y'all ate it. Y'all ate it all. No, I'm hungry.
No, but it
Well,
was...
then that's when you go and have a light snack, like some nature cereal.
That ain't no light snack. You call that dinner.
This is light snack right here. Come on, and finish your cereal. We're having breakfast together. Ooh, my breakfast buddy.
You sound like that one dude bro, I swear you sound like that one dude. That had that little raspy voice.
This thing's been stuck in my teeth. Little seedlings.
I don't know what I feel about it. There's ice cubes, and there's not.
They're melting.
Nothing.
They're melting.
Like we can't have somebody. If you guys don't know, Alyssa is our niece.
and not my niece. Come here, Alyssa. Come here, Alyssa.
They can hear you in the background saying no. Like we kidnapped.
Come here, listen. You want to try some? Say hi to everybody. Hi.
What are y'all eating?
Nature's cereal. Here, you want to try some?
Yeah, so good.
Here, try some of your
It's
uncle's.
so good.
Here.
Why are y'all wasting these purple?
Here, come here, Lisa. You want to come over here? Here. Come over here.
Go over here.
How can I get her over here so she can...
I'll just
Here, come over here, Alyssa, so you can try.
Oh my god.
Here, you're going to try something here. All right, come on. Okay. All right, let's see.
Try it.
I'll
Okay.
just take a strawberry.
No, you gotta take it.
I could take a strawberry.
All right, take a bite.
Wait, of all
I'll
of it, you have
take
to take a bite of all
You
of
have
it.
to take a bite with all the stuff in it.
Here, Granny got it for you.
Big bite. Come over so they can see you. Take your big bite of nature's cereal. Here you go. Oh, come over.
It's so
Chew
good.
it up. Chew it.
It's so good.
Chew it. Come on, I'll take a bite too. Come on, let's chew it up.
Chew it.
You can chew it, Alyssa. Please. All right, chew it.
Chew
Hurry up. Now chew. Okay, go. I don't think she really. But you can taste the fruit if you swallow the water stuff, the coconut water. You chew up this fruit. Hurry up. Now you can taste the fruit, right? All right, now it's better.
No, she can't.
The pomegranate seeds. They're crunchy. All in your teeth. Anyways, get back to the room.
Get back to the room. Why'd you even come out? Dang. You're not coming out to dinner. She was supposed to come out to dinner.
Listen, you can leave that open.
She wasn't supposed to come
I
out to
actually like
dinner.
it. I want them to hear the crunch. Let's see. Ready? Mmm.
Mommy, yeah.
Did you hear the crunch? Mm-mm.
I want to drink some. I want to try it.
Alyssa, what are you doing?
Bottle made with recycled. Nobody's recycling it. I mean, yeah, we recycle.
Mm. Mm.
CO2, which means water.
Mm. You know what? What? You said, I'm dead. I'm done here because something ain't right with this child.
CO2.
H2O?
H2O, which means what? Then what is feet?
Hmm? What, Athena?
Yeah, Athena, what's a bussin'?
Her in the pants. Busting out the pants. Busting. Alright, you guys, it's been great. I guess this did give us a little bit of energy, huh? Alright, we will talk to you guys another day.
Yeah.
And hope everyone has an amazing day. And get some of this. Try it, you guys, and tell me how you guys like it. Nature's cereal.
Alyssa, no.
All right. So, you guys, have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll talk to everyone later.
Bye.
Toodles.